Want to update your Rogers or Xfinity Wi-Fi network name, SSID, or password? It's a straightforward process, primarily managed through the mobile apps, web portals, or router admin interfaces. Doing so is important for personalizing your network and enhancing your security. We'll focus on how to accomplish this, keeping your network safe and customized. First, let's cover the basics of SSID and passwords. SSID, Service Set Identifier, is simply the name of your Wi-Fi network that you see when you connect devices. Changing it can help you personalize your network. Or router admin interfaces. A strong password, also known as a pre-shared key, is essential for securing your Wi-Fi. Always aim for 12 or more characters, using a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid using common words or personal information. For Rogers customers, start by opening the My Rogers app or visiting the My Rogers website on your device. Once in the Internet section, select Wi-Fi settings from the menu options. In Wi-Fi settings, choose the option to edit your SSID and password. Make your desired changes here. After making changes, save them, and then reconnect all your devices to the updated network. For Xfinity customers, begin by using the Xfinity app or visiting xfinity.com in your web browser. From the Account section, select the Internet option to access network settings. In the Internet settings, find and select Change Wi-Fi settings to modify your network. After updating, save the changes and reconnect your devices to the new network settings. When changing your Wi-Fi settings, always use the latest security protocol, WPA3, for the best protection against threats. Both Rogers and Xfinity recommend and often default to WPA3 for new setups. Additionally, update your password regularly, at least every 6 months, to maintain strong network security.